Bele Enobi Store, the new coach for the Indomitable Lions, he did already for inside country. When I hear what we talk as how we land country people them. The National Gendarmerie, he don't catch 4 Mazembe to tell them country people them. It not be easy as how we then do that investigation country people them. For that side for Monatele country people them, they do some traditional installation for chief. When I go see them all for to read the quote, Mabele Enobi Store. Bad news don't enter for center region country people them. For that side for Laveri Nouvelle Route et Meki, they discover some back inside that back. They not really know what to they inside the back, baby. They suspicious. They want to go check the back now country people them. Oh, then discover some human being for inside that back where they don't divide the back into 2. That means they don't divide the human being into 2. And Nangondele, we will come back on top that matter in few days to come country people them. Today na the 8th of April 2024 we talk say good afternoon Africa, good afternoon Cameroon, good afternoon for country people them for Tori de Quat Mabele Enobi Store, Tori de Quat mon ventre n'est pas le magasin. Chapter 1 for today we start for fire incident. Fire incident it happened for that side for Mongo division. What really happened inside this fire? The man self he say he no be dey for town. If they ever go for farm, they come back na come back. They go farm, they come back like 1 week after. Just say one go this time around one they come back. You know see house, then say house don't burn.
Them say for that side for Mongo division inside Konsamba, some farmer he go for farm, he house he remain catch fire. Them say when he go for farm, he dey remain like a 1 week, 2 weeks before he come back. Then when fire start for in town, he no be there. Then call fire brigade fighters them. No man he no shake. Country people they want try for us the fire. Moi he no be there. Help by the whole house he burn. Country people them oh. Then try for quench the fire. So that he no go for neighbor in town. The man now he won't come. He discover say the whole town he don't burn. Make we hear wait he talk for a microphone for Tori du Quat Mabele Enobi Store.
Come out to have a 5 o'clock. I go for Katiwu. Now they come to have one boy. I don't know to pass. I know I like fire. Light no man when you tell you don't cut them, you don't cut them. Seeing I decided I find my stand on bush. I come for Saturday, Friday. I want Monday I go back to bush.
L'installation c'est quand?
So I don't know don't pass. I don't can see the house on ball and not see nothing. You can see. How much you do for us? Team them for us. Kitchen team them for them pan them television. Bed 3 bed. More than 1 week. I don't have anyone. I want to shop from that go to Bukavu. I don't be used to who are new in the sport. I don't give me one was. So I go there and go buy a chop. Go buy my bony fish at chop.
J'ai appris. Don't pass what you
Tingwe, Lambo Lambo. I don't go good. I don't come. They don't cut them. It's a dead way. I do pay. Don't pass. I do pay 6,000. We that's 6,000. I know a jam. I said, like there, I know you like it. I go make one move for bush. I know you. Yeah, they pay 1,000, 1,500. That's when you say, why the pay 6,000? I say, I know the day. Why the like don't come?
When I hear country people them for to read the quarter Mabele Enobi Store, he say a woman in no day. And he picking they know they stay with ye. He just dey na he one and he be farmer. He want go for bush. Come back 1 week after, about 5 days after, he discover say house he don't remain burn for back. But no man he no die for inside. He say sometimes themselves light, you know, they even use light because when they ask you for pay that kind 4,500 for light, but when you know they even dey for house, so all that thing they be vex itself, it disconnect the thing say light, no be say now light don't do something or na say, but you don't know who don't put fire for your house, country people. We dey take when I go for Center Region. When I remember some story, because when me I start some story for here, I dey go Sute go Enam. I be tell when I say some man kill some woman for bush, for that side for Swa, for that side for Ntipson. What it can happen now, according to the man, because they don't catch you. Yes, they don't catch you. They come and say Tori Dukwa and say wait, they say they don't catch that man. The man they explain say, as they already be there for inside bush then too. He be need money, he discover say the woman get money for Kaba. Now for they will decide for kill the woman, take the money. No be me they talk, una hear am.
Tori du kwat ma belle ino bisto. Ti we ma aisha na we ma mop idi tokam. When I remember that story where be tell when I say some papa he don't kill some woman for inside bush. I say where be talk for he say make he go cut it trees them. We there for Center Region. We there for that side for Swa and trees some country people them. This man criminal where when I see for on screen. Na he be cut down reme for inside bush with this machete country people.
Donner l'argent là le dimanche pour aller finir le travail de maison. C'est là que le corps me tourne, que je tape la maman, la machette là part derrière la tête, qu'elle tombe à terre. Voilà que la maman commence à pleurer. Voilà que je mets encore deuxième coup la machette, que la maman morte.
Other thing them it be happen during the month of March, and on the 26th of March when they discover the dead body for Mama Mbala inside bush.
Et de cette situation, nous sommes descendus sur les lieux et sur renseignement, nous avons appris que l'intéressé s'apprêtait à vendre la tronçonneuse qu'il a pris dans le domicile des intéressés parce que après son crime odieux, il allait fouiller le domicile pour essayer de récupérer cette somme d'argent d'environ 5 000 francs. Donc, on l'a interpellé au niveau du Carrefour Tinga village.
Make we na note say this party man as for now he been a prime suspect for that side for Swa gendarmerie. He there for court house. Na court he could decide he saw.
Na court he could decide he saw country people them. According to the man, he did talk say he cut the woman 2 times so that the woman could die. That means if he hit the first one, the woman started in come again the second one. We show say he be really want for kill this woman. As I will charge the pocket and now the money we stand for inside it not be enough. He decide for go for the woman a house. For go find that money where it be around 500 and something thousand. Then that saw engine saw where they cut tree there with them. He take up. He want for go sell him now for Tinga village. Now anyway then go catch him. This thing they want happen now for the month of March. Oh, he kill him before the 26th of March because now on the 26th of March we then discover the dead body for this Mami Mbala, make it rest in peace. We take when I now go from Ngolmukong country people them Ngolmukong. As I way some 2 technicians they don't die for chantier. We don't ever talk, even governor don't talk and say country people when we now want build house. When I look the terrain fine. When I look at whether it could they check up for build house. Now 2 technicians they now they don't die, we ground don't bury them. When I remember for the story for that side for Damas no Bele no be store.
We there for Center Region. We there for inside Yaoundé. Precisely for Ngulmekong country people them all. As our black day, it don't happen for these people. Every day, na so cry. Water, it don't finish for eye. Some 2 technicians them where they be the work for this chantier country people them their life it don't enter for inside this ground. Them don't die for year country people them it not be easy at all. As I where then the talks say the people them don't die. That way the ground it bamboos. Country people them oh it not be easy.
La terre là c'était en haut, ça s'est écroulé sur eux Ça fait du bruit, on dirait que le Ben qui vient de Bénin, comment même le gravier comme ça. Quand nous sommes sortis, on voit que c'est le mur de soutènement que les gens travaillent ici qui viennent de s'écrouler comme ça.
No be the first time where the kind thing it dey happen. When I remember the story for Damas inside Yaoundé 3 where be keep people. That way this one it happen so country people that when they be there for corner, then try for do all way for dig the people they move am for underground, but it be too late.
Le petit frère, c'est un gars de 28 ans. Apparemment, c'est le grand frère là qui était le technicien. Le grand frère a l'habitude d'amener le petit frère, lui a donné le coup de main.
From 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., it no be easy at all for move the people them underground. The divisional officer for Yaoundé 5 and some administrative authorities them come for terrain. Even sapeur pompier them too they be there for give reinforce so that they can move the people them. The sensitization for the Kutu people them and administration for country people them. Now say make them look out the kind place where then they build the antang. Hey boy.
Je lance un appel à tous ceux-là qui construisent dans ces endroits-là d'arrêter.
Barely 6 months ago, for inside Central Region, Yaoundé Bankolo, it no be easy as how the very kind story it be happen. People them die. Just know now for this side for Yaoundé 5, where it don't happen. When Balok it dey follow you, Ndutu day.
When Balok it dey follow you, even Dutu, it is shidon for corner side for the Elukam. Ngulmekong country people them every day. Na so cry. Water it don't finish for people their eye country people them. That one it be now for Yaoundé 5, where them say from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Moyen it no be day for more of these people. This young man will be 28 years old and a big brother then die all inside down ground. That man talk say la terre est en haut. That terre be there for oh. When I know be this I'm say if he fall. Question we would ask him. Anyhow, they don't make investigation and it is still go on. Anything come up for there, we could tell when our country people them. Make we go gist small for some sector. When I don't see them for social media country people them obviously. We don't know why we people they don't turn funeral now and burial now. It don't be on a different level. For first time when person be they die, it be na some sorrowful thing. But today when person die, if they no fight, they could they could drunk. That means they you don't just turn a different thing. So take country people them. Some kind fight it happen for burying ground. Even the diamond, he open their eyes to say now because of me then they fight so, but mine it not be there because they don't put it for cover.
Les commandants sont où? Les commandants sont où? Filme.
Even Steven Seagal, enough of his stand for the kind of fight country people them as I then they ask him say le commando some who. Palava for Machete Gudang, it be there for count two people them side. As I will fight is start for this burying ground. Now what it really happen? Moye it no be there because I want for survey my camera. Hey, the boys them for black, them say they come out for Temple Shaolin. They want reach for you, they want manquer them respect. Ça ne peut pas se passer comme ça. Hey, the Canandomo, where it be there for burying ground. Even Diamond, il talk say laissez d'abord comme ça.
Les commandants sont où? Les commandants sont où? Filme. Ouais, filme. Les commandants sont où? Où sont les commandos? Laisse ça.
We know for showing all the images then because the fight it continues so the people then wound. The advice now say that kind of thing is not fine because when person don't die, whether now which problem, they put problem for corner, bury the person, make tradition, then go to solve now, jeje. But this one, where they be able for kill person for burying ground, bury another guy, no, come in. We take when I now go for that side for Central Region, inside Monatele country, people them ask how the installation for this traditional chief, it happened check up. Even the divisional officer, he be answer present, Monasia.
Sa Majesté Onana Salama Roland. Prenez le commandement traditionnel.
Sa Majesté Marc Roland Onana Chala, prenez le commandement. Na under the umbrella for the divisional officer for that side for Monatele inside Central Region where the installation ceremony of the new Royal Highness for this sector it happened.
Pour de supputation, on a dû descendre 2 fois pour les consultations coutumières. La première fois, la désignation a été annulée par la hiérarchie et il nous a été demandé de redescendre, organiser de nouvelles consultations. Ce qui a été fait et c'est au cours de cette deuxième descente que M. Tsala Onana a été coopté par la notabilité coutumière du village comme nouveau chef du village Kekom.
The population for Kekom village this 2nd of April 2024 wait at least 3 years before the dream he come true.
Un travail bien terminé. C'est vrai, on a eu quelques difficultés au départ et je crois que ça m'a aidé à prendre conscience des pièges à éviter.
According to the divisional officer, plenty temptation it be there, plenty challenges they be there during the preparation of the installation of this Royal Highness. But it thank God, say all things they
Ce n'était pas facile pour dire vrai. Ce n'était pas facile. C'est le bon Dieu qui a décidé cela.
Nous avons demandé au chef d'être un chef rassembleur, de faire venir, même si ce sont ses adversaires d'avant, du passé, de les faire venir, quitte à introduire même certains dans la nouvelle notabilité du village.
The administration, it tell His Royal Highness Marc Roland Onana Chala, say make it not take choco for country people them for spoil village. Make it be na that kind chief where they assemble country people them. He says it don't say get plenty challenges them for front. But as for now, make them get confiance for he because all thing he could they check.
Sa Majesté Marc Roland Onana country people them for that side for Ekekong village. Naibi now the new Kukuma for the. You don't take these people them 3 years for put this chief because as we not here the divisional officer they talk wahala it be did too much. He on advice where he na say make it try for bring back peace for inside Ekekong village. Make it try for put some notables the way they be first they say for wahala inside the chief. That's other thing then it could they check up country people them all. The National Gendarmerie as I will be tell now for the beginning for the chapter for today. The National Gendarmerie for Central Region country people then don't catch 4 Mazembe Tuate and volley them. The question what they ask them now say the microbes that they come for inside Yaoundé too. Now for this answer.
The net for the National Gendarmerie, it don't vex, it catch this Mazembe Tuate and volley them. For Central Region, inside Yaoundé or Mispo country people them. 4 of them in numbers where they be armés.
Un officier supérieur des armées qui a été agressé par ces derniers et un individu qui actuellement se trouve au niveau de l'hôpital général en soins intensifs qui a été poignardé par ces mêmes groupes.
Superior Army officer, he be agressé and then discover na inside this camera caché for that sector for Domblo. As I when he says he try for explain for we.
Dans là où j'étais, 3 gars ont surgi avec les capuches sur la tête. Ils m'ont encerclé. L'un d'eux m'a demandé de donner tout ce que j'avais. Tous ont sorti les couteaux. Celui qui était plus grand de taille a sorti la machette. Bon, quand j'ai voulu un peu me débattre, ils ont commencé à me poignarder. Celui de la machette, parce que j'ai voulu l'attaquer, il m'a donné un coup de machette ici.
Rapidement, the National Gendarmerie Couture Red Cap Fonguso, il do the job.
Avons été saisis, transportés sur les lieux, ils ont été surpris en flagrant délit. D'où l'interpellation de ces 4 suspects. Après avoir recoupé, nous nous sommes rendus compte qu'il s'agissait d'une bande bien organisée. Leurs cibles principales sont les dames. Ils les dépossèdent de leurs biens et numéraires. Et tout homme qui veut riposter aux alentours, il vous poignarde grièvement.
The truth now say the microbes them where they be there for that side for littoral region. Them too they don't come for Central region and they dictate their law. But Couture Red Cap, he said they no could try.
Il se trouve autour de 21h au lieu dit Kanda, quartier Bamoum. Donc à ce niveau, ils commencent les opérations en agressant les gens qui sortent de quartier et en même temps aussi les gens qui se trouvent au niveau des alentours des débits de boissons.
Stop and end for the mic of them. Just now, even Lille.
According to according to the report where we don't hear them say woman them being victims them for inside this aggression where these guys they do. When they capture woman, so non seulement then could WhatsApp you with their Kalashnikov, then could do some kind of thing the way it no fine. Now we then go for now for that side for Omispor on top this superior military officer. We to not be one for level and for ground country people them. After we don't try for the defend itself for position we camera cache be day. Now we don't help them now say me then catch them. Just know the people then there for that side for gendarmerie for Ngoso. Anything we could come out on top that one, we could just bring them for when I country. People them. Even I don't just join with this one I come this television we did for Central Region. This one na Yaoundé 4, Studio 4 for come this television na Tori du Quat ma belle in Novisto Tori du Quat. Mon ventre n'est pas le magasin. We get two items them again country people them may talk small for Palava for coach for Cameroon where don't just land. JJ country people them land yesterday the 7th of April 2024 we in name now Matt Brace country people them. Make when I hear what we talk as how we just land for hospital for that side for airport.
Non, j'étais sûr et certain, très content avec la manière qu'ils ont fait leur sélection. C'était très professionnel et ça ouvre beaucoup de portes pour nous. Et on doit voir, on doit observer, on doit la situation aussi et on va y être actif après.
Bonne arrivée, coach. Voilà, on va au Cameroun. Comment est-ce que vous vous sentez?
Très très bien pour le moment. Je suis fatigué.
Ça s'est pressé de retrouver l'équipe nationale du Cameroun, d'entraîner les Lions Noirs.
Bien sûr. S'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît, c'est fini, c'est fini.
Despite all the way country people that they talk for Konam, but the government it don't take a decision and the decision it be final country people because yesterday as he be the talk for our microphone say don't travel fine and it don't come for do fine work for Cameroon make them wait for see what we could do like a work where they don't they prepare and for way and it talks the country people them say plenty challenges them they but it could do it best so that at least the football for Cameroon it could come back as it don't ever be before. Now country people them today so for 4 o'clock Mrs. I dey go for day because they get for go sign contract now today with the Minister of Sport and plenty with the staff them. They sign contract now today for 4 o'clock. As I finish for 3:30 Rangas, I go for the country people them so that when I will get the real information tomorrow how it don't continue. Student military officers them country people them they don't take their sabre. Yes, that one na for make a made in tongue now say I do so swear. I been in a military and I respect law. I no go take pacha. I no go do this. I no go use gun for go thief. I no go. And now wait will happen for that sector for Dumblo on the 5th of April country people them way the elders the way they don't done for inside military they be the talk for them say if fine as how way they don't decide for join them for inside military force and this ones are now the student military officers they make when I am.
When it don't be confirmed, say be officer. Now for the way then they give you this sabre. Well when they see am so for confirm now say be fine military officer country people them. It happened on the 5th of April. As I will when they see am country people them when the army all man in need for down. Then their chef them they give them blessings and they give them this sabre for sure say they be officers them for inside military. But now they get for respect the law.
Je dis qu'avant cette cérémonie, il y a eu d'autres événements majeurs qui ont précédé cette cérémonie de remise des sabres. Il s'agit, la nuit des sabres, c'est un moment pendant lequel chaque élève officier médite des engagements qu'il va prendre au travers de sabres qu'il accepte de recevoir, au sabre en fait qu'il arrache de son aîné. Également, vous avez vu un chant patriotique, un hymne par lequel, dans les paroles, on retrouve les engagements qu'ils ont pris au travers de la République du Cameroun tout entière.
When the elders them for inside military, they give this sabre so for the student officers them, it show their love.
Les anciens viennent transmettre aux cadets le commandement et ça marque à nous véritablement de l'humiliation et un sentiment de joie et tout ce qui va avec.
Les nouveaux challenges se font à partir des objectifs fixés dès le départ, parmi lesquels suivre la trace de nos anciens et relever les défis que nous nous sommes fixés depuis le début.
These student officers them when they receive this sabre then so it be under the umbrella for the general as I when they see am for on screen. Make we now note say no be only Cameroonian military that be there for inside this ndongamen we happen country people them plenty étranger them too be there for inside the ndongamen.
Now so it take happen for that sector for Don Blow for these student military officers them way they be do to their own swearing as do so swear country people them and now all that way to read the quad is succeed for gather and for winner this 8th of April 2024. Tomorrow 9th of April 2024 we could bring winner another Sokoto informations them country people them for to read the quad Mabele in Obi store. Make winner stay connected, make winner this coaching for this television because more news it dey come from 8 p.m. or 6 p.m. and plenty information them and other things them it dey come. Make we meet up tomorrow the same time, the same channel, the same smile, the same honor, the same respect. Amemukula Sabera Yansi.